So a lot of people think that Dubai is a modern country, right? Because you think the way of life is modern, right? But when it comes to the court system, we have to say that people just have to be very careful, right? Because in a lot of proceedings, the foreigner does not have the same, in practice, right? In reality, the same equal rights as the person who is from an Arab country. And also, if you get a divorce, for example, and with custody in Dubai, then you can also apply to have Sharia law on your, executed in your divorce. So that means the mother, in a lot of cases, does not have a strong position, right? Even in Dubai, when you think it's a modern country for people from the Western world, but if it comes to court system, divorce, custody, or child abduction, they do not cooperate, right? And it's not a very fair trial in a lot of cases. So people have to be very careful where they relocate with their children, right? Because we can say Colombia, all the Latin countries, Argentina, a lot of countries, almost every country, right, in Latin America, and in Europe and the United States, they're all cooperate. So if there's a child abduction, right, they will cooperate with the member countries. And then you have it easier. I'm not saying it's always guaranteed, right, that the child can return, but it's definitely easier because the countries, the governments, they work together to return the child as quickly as possible, right? And then you have to go to your local family court to, get a different custody position, for example. Yes. So it's great to hear. Do you have a very similar experience too? That